How to meditate with mala beads, rising spirits. Welcome to Rising Spirits. Today we're diving into a sacred practice that not only calms the mind, but also connects us to an ancient tradition, meditating with mala beads. Have you ever wondered how this simple string of beads can transform your meditation experience? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your own meditation journey with mala beads. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are mala beads? Mala beads have been used for centuries in spiritual practices, originating from Buddhism and Hinduism. Traditionally, a mala has 108 beads plus one guru bead that represents your teacher or your highest self. Have you ever meditated with any kind of focus tool before, like a candle or a mantra? Let us know in the comments. Now you might be thinking, why use mala beads? Well, if you've ever struggled to keep your mind from wandering during meditation, mala beads can help. They give your hands something to do, which actually helps anchor your thoughts. Each bead acts as a focal point, allowing you to concentrate and return your mind to the present moment with each one. Plus, the beads can help create a rhythm, which can be deeply soothing. It's like giving your thoughts a soft place to land, bead by bead. All right, ready to try it out? Grab your mala beads or just follow along in your mind if you don't have any yet. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit. And yes, this can even be a cozy corner of your couch. Now, hold your mala in your right hand, draping it between your middle and index fingers. Your thumb is going to move each bead one by one towards you, starting at the guru bead. Next up, let's talk mantras. A mantra is a word or phrase you repeat silently to focus your mind. If you're not sure where to start, simple words like peace, calm, or gratitude are perfect. You could also use a Sanskrit mantra, such as Om Shanti, meaning I am peace. What word or phrase brings you calm? Comment below. Here's where the magic begins. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and start at the guru bead. For each bead, recite your mantra in your mind or aloud, if you prefer. Take your time, letting each word sink in fully. Move to the next bead with each repetition. One of the beautiful things about mala meditation is that by the time you reach the guru bead again, you've repeated your mantra 108 times. That's no accident. In many traditions, 108 is considered a sacred number, symbolizing spiritual completion. Now, you might be wondering, why 108 beads? This is a number that holds spiritual significance across various cultures. It's believed to connect us with our divine purpose, grounding us in our intention. Plus, studies have shown that focused meditation, like mala meditation, can lower stress, reduce anxiety, and increase your overall sense of well-being. Imagine the power of dedicating 108 breaths to one intention. It's a beautiful commitment to yourself and to your own peace. After you finish, sit quietly for a moment. Reflect on how you feel, physically and mentally. This is a time to just in that energy you've created. Let the intention of your meditation settle within you. This is when you let go and simply feel the effects of the practice. So, that's your guide to meditating with mala beads. If you enjoyed this practice, try adding it to your routine a few times a week or even daily to deepen your connection with your intentions. Have you tried mala meditation before, or is this your first time? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for joining me on Rising Spirits. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video brought you any peace, and consider subscribing if you'd like more content like this. And if you know someone who might benefit from a little extra calm, feel free to share this with them. Wishing you peace and stillness. See you next time.